Let's talk about risk, but not in the scary way, because when most people hear risk, investment risk, they think charts, percentages, or math they don't understand. And that's not what I'm talking about. When I think about risk, I think about sleep. Like, can I sleep at night with this choice? Because if your investment makes you anxious, if you're constantly checking your account or worrying if you messed up, that's a sign that you might have taken on too much risk. It's just too high for you. And that's the part that people don't explain. Risk isn't good or bad, it's personal. What feels fine to one person can feel stressful to someone else. And that doesn't mean either person is wrong. A lot of people assume risk is about being brave, but honestly, risk is about your risk tolerance. It has more to do with your life, your age, your goals, your personality. For example, if you're younger, you usually have more time, and time gives you more room to recover from the ups and downs. But if you're closer to when you'll need the money, risk hits differently. Same things with your goals. Money you're investing for the long term you can usually handle more movement. Money you might need sooner, that's different. And there's also your personality. When Okay, which we never talk about enough. Some people are naturally calm with uncertainty, and others, like me, need things to feel steady, or it messes with my peace. And that matters because you want to sleep at night. Because the best investment on paper isn't the best investment if it makes you panic. So just remember, just the best investment on paper is not the best investment if it makes you panic. I used to think I had to choose the option that sounds the smartest, but over time I realized consistency beats intensity. The investments that let you stay invested are the ones that work for you. So, if you're trying to choose investments right now, here's a simple question to ask. Can I stick with it if it's boring? Or when it dips, will I go spiraling? If the answer is no, that doesn't mean you're weak. It just means you're learning your risk tolerance. And that's part of becoming an investor. Risk isn't about pushing yourself to handle more than you can. It's about choosing something that fits your life. And if you want help understanding investment terms without all the jargon, my mini guide is linked below. And it's there if you need it, no pressure. So I'm on my journey to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years. I'm also close to retirement. Not that close, but I'm maybe another 10 years. We'll see. So I actually want to leave my 9 to 5 through investing. I would like you to come on alongside this journey with me. And if you're on a journey also, just let me know, put it in the comments, and we'll take this ride together. Once again, I'm on my journey, and we're on a lot of journeys these days, but mine is to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years. So just comment below, hit like on this video and subscribe for new videos. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care.